The less than expression is in the category yes, no, and has the result of a yes or a no. The purpose of this expression is to check if the first value is less than the second. The syntax is the first value you're wanting to compare, the less than symbol, and the second value you're wanting to compare. The result is true if the first value is less than the second, or false if it is not. Let's look at some examples. We can compare a few things. For instance, numbers. In this case, we would return the value true. But you can also compare dates. For instance, if we had the date 10/31/2020 is less than 12/25/2020. This would return true because October 31st comes before December 25th. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com. Thanks for watching.